Good morning, welcome. Let's go over what your flexible mind daily challenge is today for day 15, themed around gratitude. You know what? This one is nice and simple. I kept things really easy since we are focusing on gratitude. All I want you to do today is to create a gratitude list. Now, I want you to write a minimum of 50 things you are grateful for. Ideally, I would like you to write 100, okay? I find that the more you're able to start putting on your list, the more it forces you to get really specific about the things that you are grateful for versus just writing things in general, like grateful for my health. Of course, it's amazing to be grateful for your health, and that's probably number one on my gratitude list. But can you be a little bit more specific than that? In what ways are you grateful for your health? What part of your health? So these are kind of questions and prompts that you want to ask yourself when you're writing down that list. So at least 50 items. This is a great tool to do on a daily basis. This is a list that you might want to add on to a little bit every day or on a weekly basis. It's a great one to read regularly, especially when you're feeling not so great and going through a hard time. So just a wonderful exercise overall. Of course, if you'd like to, you can always share with us what you are grateful for. You can even make your list in the comments if you'd like, or you can just take a photo and share it, or just share a couple things that you're grateful for. Yeah, that's it. Nice and simple for day 15. Please don't skip this one. It's really worthwhile, and I'm curious to know what will end up being on your list. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 16.